Hey everybody, it's Jamie Atkinson with Bill Harris Dealerships. I am the HR manager here, and I'm going to show you quickly how to apply for a job here at Bill Harris Dealerships. So, go to any browser on your computer or your phone. You're going to type in www.billharrisauto.com/careers. When you get there, you'll see our home page, okay? And you can click on Join Our Team or View Job Opportunities. All right, we've got our jobs listed here that are available to apply to. You can click on View Details if you want to know more about the job, but if you know I want to apply to be a service advisor, click on Apply Now. All right, pretty simple. You fill out your information here at the top, especially those that the sections that are required. It won't let you pass without filling it in. Most important, attach your resume. This is going to be the method of telling us your job history, your education history, because there's not questions on the actual application pertaining to that. So attach your resume. If not, your chances of moving on to the next step are much lower. All right, you're going to come down here. There's a questionnaire. Please answer all questions. I promise you know all the answers to these questions, so they're easy. One thing to point out here, this question, please briefly explain why you're interested in a position with Bill Harris. This is a point for you to shine. So, you know, don't be afraid to put some thought into this answer. Be authentic. Let us know why you want to work for us. So, that's pretty much it. You're going to come down here after you filled everything out, excuse me, and click on this I have read the terms and conditions and hit the Apply Now button. That's basically it. If you have any questions, you can comment on the video or perhaps send me an email, hr@billharrisauto.com.